This is Joe Kennedy playing in black. I don't know who the other one is. Joe's the one that plays with a frying pan and a miniature bat, and he's still good. He's a top coach, veterans coach he is actually. Very good guy. So I didn't know he was going to have a knock-up, but while he's here I'll film him. I've got to talk because they won't know what it's all about. Come on, Joe. Joe sometimes plays with a frying pan. He's a bit of a comedian. It looks like he's taking this one a bit more serious. Big smile, Joe. Right, I'm going to cut it off now because I want to go and have a word with Grant. Bye.